So I am making the salmon kimchi salad with avocado dressing from the premium menus. We'll have salmon, which is baking. It has another 5 minutes to go. Onions for the sulfur content, kale for the vitamin K, carotenoids, magnesium, calcium, peppers for their carotenoids, polyphenols, broccoli for the sulfur, avocado, spices, again for the diversity, essential fats, and kimchi for great probiotics. So the premium menus are a great way to expand your culinary skills, be introduced to new foods, new pairings, meals that are fun, tasty, and really delicious, easy way to add diversity and confidence to your cooking skill.